So hello students, so today we will going to solve the practical question based on balance sheet. So last class we have discussed how to prepare the balance sheet as per schedule 3 part 1 of the Companies Act 2013. So question we can see from the board, from the following information, prepare a balance sheet of the company as on 31st March 2020. Long term borrowings is given, all the amount is given in 1000. Okay, so that means this amount is given in 1000. Long term borrowings is given 1000. Trade payable 60, share capital given 800, reserves and surplus 180, fixed asset, inventory, trade receivable and cash equivalent has been given. So we are required to prepare your balance sheet. So format is there, balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. This is your note number. This is the amount in 1000. So first of all, what we have to give the heading? Equity and liability. So under equity and liability, what we have to write? First of all, सबसे पहले क्या जाएगा? We have to write your shareholder funds. ठीक है, तो शेयर होल्डर फंड्स में सबसे पहले क्या जाएगा आपका? सबसे पहले शेयर कैपिटल. सो बिट ए वुड बी योर शेयर कैपिटल. ओके, so share capital is given how much? 800. So this will be your 800. Actually it is 8 lakhs, but it has been given in 1000. तो हम लोग कितना लिखेंगे? 800. Here the amount is also given in 1000. Now reserves and surplus. Next क्या जाता है? Reserves and surplus. So reserves and surplus has given how much? 180. So it has been given 180. Okay. Now after shareholder funds, next heading would be your non-current liability. ठीक है. So non-current liability में सबसे पहले क्या जाएगा हम लोग का? इसमें दिया है long term borrowings. How much it is? 1000. So long term borrowings. So long term borrowings is given how much? 1000. Okay. Next heading would be current liability. Next जो heading आएगा वो क्या आएगा? Current liabilities. Now under current liabilities what we have to write? We have to write your trade payable. कितना दिया है? 60. So trade payable would be trade payable. How much it is your? 60. ओके, टोटल करेंगे कितना आएगा? टोटल 2040 वुड बी टोटल. सो दिस इज योर टोटल ऑफ लायबिलिटी. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट? वी हैव टू राइट द एसेट्स पार्ट. सो एसेट्स, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू गिव द हेडिंग नॉन करंट एसेट्स. नॉन करंट एसेट्स. ठीक है, और इसमें दिया हुआ है एसेट्स में क्या दिया हुआ है? फिक्स्ड एसेट दिया हुआ है. तो दैट विल बी कम्स अंडर टेंजिबल एसेट्स. किसके अंदर में आएगा? फिक्स्ड एसेट्स, टेंजिबल एसेट्स. सो यू टू राइट द हेडिंग योर टेंजिबल एसेट्स. उसके नीचे में लिखेंगे क्या? फिक्स्ड एसेट्स. सो फिक्स्ड एसेट इज हाउ मच? 1600. सो फिक्स्ड एसेट्स इज योर 1600. नेक्स्ट इज योर करंट एसेट्स. सो करंट एसेट्स में क्या क्या जाएगा? इन्वेंटरी इज हाउ मच? 40. इन्वेंटरीज में कितना जाएगा? 40. देन ट्रेड रिसीवेबल कितना? 160. ट्रेड रिसीवेबल वुड बी योर 160. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज योर कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट. कितना है? 240. सो कैश एंड cash equivalent, how much it would be? It is your 240. Okay, और total करेंगे इसका, total will be how much? Same, 2040 would be the total. Okay, so this is your total assets. Okay, so this is how we are required to prepare balance sheet following the rules of your Companies Act 2013. Okay. So now let us solve the next question. As the question you can see from the board, from the following information, prepare a balance sheet of the company as on 31st March 2013. Okay. General reserve is given 3000. 8% debenture given 3000. Surplus is given 1200. Depreciation of fixed assets is given 700. Fixed assets, that is the tangible assets at cost, given how much? 9000. current liability given 2500, share capital 5000, current asset is 6400, and we are required to prepare your balance sheet. So the format will remain same, balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. This is your note number, okay, and the amount would be written directly. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले क्या हेडिंग जाएगा, इक्विटी एंड लायबिलिटी शेयर होल्डर फंड. सो बिट ए वुड बी योर शेयर कैपिटल. सो अमाउंट इज गिवन डायरेक्टली रुपीज हाउ मच 5000. सो अमाउंट वुड रिटर्न शेयर कैपिटल रुपीज हाउ मच 5000. Now reserves and surplus. Now you see there are two items regarding reserves and surplus has been given. Okay, first one is your general reserve and second one is your surplus. So here we are required to prepare working note. Let it be note number 1. Okay, so here we can prepare your note 1. So note 1. So note 1, what is the heading? Main heading is your reserves and surplus. ओके, तो उसके अंदर में क्या क्या जाएगा? फर्स्ट वन इज योर जनरल रिजर्व. सो जनरल रिजर्व हैज बीन गिवन हाउ मच 3000 रुपीज. देन योर सरप्लस. सो सरप्लस इज ऑल्सो गिवन, कितना है 1200. सो हाउ मच विल बी द टोटल? टोटल इज योर 4200. सो दिस टोटल वुड बी शोन हियर डायरेक्टली अंडर द हेडिंग रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस. कितना? 4200. ओके, नाउ यू सी नॉन करेंट लायबिलिटी. नॉन करेंट लायबिलिटी में मेन हेडिंग क्या होगा? लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग्स, एंड हियर 8% डिबेंचर्स हैज बीन गिवन. ओके, सो वर्किंग नोट 2 वी आर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिपेयर. दैट इज योर नोट 2. सो नोट 2, व्हाट इज द मेन हेडिंग? नॉन करेंट लायबिलिटी. सो नॉन करेंट लायबिलिटी वो हमारा मेन हेडिंग है. ठीक है, उसके अंदर में क्या है हम लोग का? लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग्स. So long term borrowings, and under long term borrowings what we will get? क्या है हम लोग का? 8% डिबेंचर्स. हाउ मच? 3000. So 8% डिबेंचर्स and amount is rupees 3000. So directly here what we have to write? Amount would be over 3000. Okay. Now current liability directly it has been given कितना? 2500. Directly it has been given. So current liability directly we will write how much? 2500. Okay. So now we get the total of the liability. So total of the liability would be this one 005 plus 2 7. Then 5, 10 and 14. So total of the liability is how much? 14,700. So now come to the assets part. So first one is the non-current assets. Okay, so it has been divided into 3 parts: tangible assets, intangible assets, and capital work in progress. So tangible assets, fixed assets. Here you see, here we are required to prepare note 3. Okay, so note 3. So we can see from here note 3. So here you see fixed asset at cost. Your tangible asset is given how much? 9,000. So what will we give the heading? Fixed assets. Okay, here tangible assets. Tangible assets at cost. ठीक है, कितना दिया हुआ है? 9,000. So at cost it is your 9,000. उसमें से क्या लेस हो जाएगा? Less would be depreciation of fixed assets. How much? 700. So less depreciation. How much? 700. Okay. So how much will be the amount that has been left? Amount would be 8,300. So tangible asset, how much you will write here? 8,300. Okay. Now after your fixed assets, next is your current assets. Current assets, and amount has been given directly how much? 6,400. 6,400, and total we will get how much? 14,700. Okay, so this is your total liability, and this would be your total assets. Total assets. We can see. Okay, and here we can write particulars. So this is how we are required to prepare balance sheet as per part 1 schedule 3 of the Companies Act 2013. So now let us solve the next question. The question you can see from the board, that how are the following items shown while preparing balance sheet. So this type of question is very important as per CBSE rule. Here how the following items would be shown in the balance sheet. So for this what we have to write, we have to give the two heading. One is a major heading, that is the main heading, and next one is a subheading, and this is your list of items. So let us start. First bit, surplus, that is balance in statement of profit and loss. Okay, debit balance. So major heading would be surplus, किसके अंदर में जाएगा? मेजर हेडिंग है शेयर होल्डर्स फंड्स. ओके, तो शेयर होल्डर फंड्स, एंड सब हेडिंग वुड बी व्हाट? रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस. सब हेडिंग क्या होगा? रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस एज नेगेटिव फिगर, एज नेगेटिव बैलेंस. ओके, सो फर्स्ट बिट ओवर. नाउ सेकंड बिट, we will see interest accrued, and due to debentures. So interest accrued and due to debentures. Okay, so what will be the main heading? So main heading would be current liability. Major heading क्या होगा? Current liability. And sub headings would be other current liabilities. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट बिट वुड बी, थर्ड बिट क्या दिया हुआ है? कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर अंडर डेवलपमेंट. सो कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर अंडर डेवलपमेंट. ओके, सो कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर अंडर डेवलपमेंट, मेजर हेडिंग क्या होगा? सो मेजर हेडिंग वुड बी नॉन करेंट एसेट्स. Major heading would be non-current assets. Okay, and what will be your subheading? That is the fixed assets. ठीक है, within bracket we can write fixed assets में कहाँ जाएगा वो? As an shown as an intangible assets under development. Under development. Okay, intangible assets under development. Now next one, bit number 4 क्या है? इंटरेस्ट accrued on investment. accrued का मतलब क्या हो गया? हम अर्न कर चुके हैं, earned but not received. Okay, so what will be the main heading? Main heading would be current assets. And what will be your subheading? Subheading would be other current assets. कहाँ से होगा वो? Other current assets. Now next one, bit number 5 क्या है? Provision for employee benefit. So provision for employee benefits. ठीक है, so provision for employee benefit, where to be shown? Major heading is your non-current liability, non-current liabilities. Okay, and subheading would be your, it will be shown under long-term provision, long-term provisions. Okay, so now the last bit is a cost in advance. That is a bit number 6, cost in advance. So what will be the main heading? Main heading would be current liability. पैसा मिल चुका है एडवांस में, मतलब वो क्या है मेरा? मेजर हेडिंग current liability, and sub heading would be other current liabilities. Okay, so this is how we are required to list the items as per heading and subheading. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.